How's it going, Nate? Welcome back to the Great Green North. Today is probably going to be my final lawn cutting video of the year. I'm going to be doing my final mow on the lawn today, but before we do that, we're going to have to be doing some leaves because, folks, the leaves are coming down like crazy. I just spent 2.5 hours doing my neighbor's lawn. Out there you can see we got our leaf bag mountain growing. So I don't got much to say, guys, other than at this point of the year, you're going to be looking at doing your final mow. So what you need to do when you're looking at doing your final mow is you need to line up that final mow just before or just after you're seeing a lot of major frost. Now, you don't want to do it on a day where you have received a frost, but mine I've kind of prolonged a little bit because I wanted to make sure that everything was tidied up before I finally got on in that final mow. Plus, I've been busy and it's been raining a lot here. So what I've been doing is I've been watching the weather. We've been receiving pretty much standard frosts almost every day. If you see daytime temps dropping below zero pretty much every night, then you know that you need to try to get that final mow in before that happens. Now, I'm a little bit late this year, but try to get that final mow in before you see daytime temperatures dropping below zero every night. You want to do it on a decently warm day. And ideally, if you did it on a sunny day, that would be nice just because you can see the stripes better. But other than that, try to pick up those leaves before you get on for the first mow. And as I said in last week's video, get down that fall fertilizer, and then it's time to enjoy the first mow. Guys, it's been a great season. I thank everybody for helping grow the channel this year. We've had an amazing year, even considering the pandemic and considering everything. The lawn has really gone through this year. It was not only a difficult year for everybody here, it was a difficult year for the lawn. Droughts, way big heat waves, and just everything like that. Storms, thunderstorms like crazy, renovations that I did, everything like that. So thank you guys for sticking around and subscribing to the channel and supporting the channel. It really means a lot to me. I'm going to keep making these videos throughout the winter. I'm just probably going to be narrowing back on my uploading. I wanted to try to upload every week in the summer. I don't think I ever got to that point, but I'm going to be narrowing back on the uploading in the winter, maybe once a month or something like that. But I'm definitely going to be keeping going with the lawn tips. So without further ado, I'm going to go and enjoy the final mow. I'm going to be trickling in some winter lawn tips, voiceover, while the final mow is happening. In addition to this, I would encourage you guys to stay all the way to the end of this video for, as Ryan Knorr would call it, some bonus footage thanking you guys for this year, the 2020 lawn season. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching. From the Great Green North, my name is Wade Murray, and for the last time during the 2020 lawn season, keep it green. Fall has always been my favorite season of the year. And I don't know if it's the changing colors, the cooler temperatures, or just the chance to look back on everything you've done that year. I started this channel a little over almost a year ago to help get your lawn from brown and disgusting to green and beautiful in a little under a year. And I think we've achieved that. I try my best to give you tips that get straight to the point. And even though this year has been difficult for all of us, I think I managed to do that. But this is not over. This is not the end. We'll be bringing tips for you all winter, all next season, and for years and years to come. So for the last time for the 2020 lawn season, the Great Green North, my name's Wade Murray. Hope this video helped you, and keep it green.